Hi, little adventurers. Welcome to Transportation Adventure. Today, we're going to learn about different ways we can travel. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! First, we have a vehicle that we see every day on the road. Can you guess what it is? That's right! It's a car. Cars can take us to many places quickly. Next, we have a vehicle with two wheels that you pedal. Do you know what it is? Great job! It's a bicycle. Riding a bike is fun and good exercise. Now, let's look at a long vehicle that runs on tracks. What could it be? That's right, it's a train. Trains can carry many people and goods over long distances. Here's a vehicle that flies in the sky. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's an airplane. Airplanes can take us to faraway places very quickly. Next, we have a vehicle that travels on water. What is it? Fantastic! It's a boat. Boats can be used for travel, fishing, and fun on the water. Now let's see a big vehicle that carries many passengers and stops at bus stops. Can you guess what it is? Awesome! It's a bus. Buses are great for getting around the city with many people. Thanks for joining us on Transportation Adventure. If you had fun learning with us, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye!